So I welcome you to this tutorial. How to fly like a bird. Put your phone on the tripod where it will not be shaking. You can do it as a single person or you can do it with another person. That's two characters. First character comes in and goes out. Then the second character comes in. But when the first character goes out, give a little space. Then the second character comes in. And when the second character goes, then take the video of the empty space, empty background. Now let's head to Capcut. Click on new project to bring in the video. So this is our video. This is the first character. She jumps and leaves the scene. Now the second character comes in, make a gesture of like flying and leaves the scene. Immediately the second character leaves the scene, you tap split. You tap on the video and tap split. Now this is the empty space. This is the empty space. This is the empty space. And these are the characters. So we go back to the first character. When the first character is still hanging on the air, you tap split. So this is the splitted part now. So you click on overlay. This is overlay to bring down the video. Now we tap on the overlay part and shift it a bit. You can see the first character is still hanging on the air. So we tap split. When you tap split, then you shift this one. You tap on this one and shift it a bit. Shift it out. So we are going to work with this little part. That's the part we are going to work with. Now, what else? We head to remove BG. We click on remove BG. Custom removal. You tap on brush. You reduce the brush size to like 3 to 2%. Then we remove the background. When you are doing it, you have to be careful to avoid encroaching the other parts. So you have to wait for it to reach 100% and it tick the screen. Then you are done. You come back to it, you tap on it again. Then you look for duplicate. You duplicate it. When you duplicate it, you touch the screen, squeeze it a bit, and raise it up. You duplicate it, you touch your screen, squeeze it, and raise it up. You duplicate it, squeeze it small, and raise it up. You duplicate it, you squeeze, and raise it up. You continue to do it till you get the maximum satisfaction and the character leaves the scene. Now let's preview the video. Perfect. Now we scroll down and bring in the second character. We shift it back. This layer we shifted from that time, you have to bring it back. So here you have to cut it up to the remaining part of this first character. We have to cut it off. So we tap here and cut it off. We still bring this one back closer. One character comes in. You can still minimize it a bit so that it will be closer to the first character. The second character comes in. Immediately the second character jumps, hangs on the air. You tap split. and shift your video a bit and tap split again. Then delete this part, this remaining part. Delete this part. We are going to work with this little part. Then head over to remove BG again. Tap custom removal, then brush. You can decide to reduce your brush to 5% or 6. Then we remove the BG, the background. So you tap duplicate, you touch the screen and squeeze it small and raise it up a bit. You tap duplicate, you tap split and raise it up a bit. You tap duplicate, continue to do it like that till you get the maximum satisfaction. Now let's preview the video. That's just it. You can decide to cut off the remaining part of the video. You export your video out. Wait for the next tutorial.